Presenting the 2014 Nissan Titan. It's powered by four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include an alarm system, keyless entry, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes, privacy glass. On the inside, you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, iPod integration, cruise control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.